8.03. Question number 1. I need to look for the oxidation state of carbon in bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion, oxygen being the most electronegative element, it will exist in oxidation state of -2, its most preferable oxidation state. Hydrogen will exist in +1. If I assume carbon to be in X, the equation would go this way: 1 plus X minus X should be equal to -1 because this -1 is the complete charge over the ion. Bicarbonate ion consists of minus charge over it, so X will come out to be X minus 5 should be equal to -1 and X should be equal to 4, so +4, which would be our answer. Question number 2. In which of the following nitrogen has lowest oxidation number? Lowest oxidation number of nitrogen: in NO, nitrogen exists in +2. In NO2, nitrogen exists in +4 because of 2 oxygen. So nitrogen exists in +4. In N2O, oxygen exists in -2, or nitrogen would exist in +1 because of 2 nitrogen. Both would combine to yield +2. +2 and -2 will make the complete molecule neutral. In N2O5, oxygen exists in -2, so -2 for each oxygen, -10 for complete 5 oxygen. So +10 should be allotted to nitrogen for the complete molecule to be neutral. So if +10 is over both the nitrogen, then +5 charge will exist over each of the nitrogen. So if I compare all the example, all the options, then in N2O, nitrogen is in lowest oxidation state. Out of +2, +4, +1 and 5, +1 is the lowest. Question number 4. Carbon is in lowest oxidation state in CH4, CCl4, CO2 and CF4. In all the example, you can see that carbon is bonded to more electronegative atom than itself. So in the second, third and fourth example, every time carbon will consist of positive charge because the other atom, all the compounds are binary in nature. The other atom is more electronegative than carbon, so carbon will be positive. But in this case, in CH4, carbon is bonded to a less electronegative atom than itself, so carbon will be negative in this case. So without actually calculating the oxidation state, I can briefly say that in which compound carbon will be in smallest oxidation state. Carbon will be in smallest oxidation state in methane. It will be negative in this case. Okay. Question number 6. The oxidation state of iodine in IF5. IF5, fluorine exists in -1 oxidation state. Let us assume iodine to be in +X or simply in X. The entire compound equation would go this way: X minus 5 should be equal to 0, so X should be equal to 5. So iodine would exist in +5 oxidation state. Okay.